nagabog na si ate. Sobrang sumabi. Tignan mo siya kung paano.
What is up, everybody? Teka lang. Adjust ko lang muna yung mic stand kasi parang masyado siya matangkad for me. Oh my God, pinakalagay doon, I love you, Illest. I love you too!
Oh my God!
For those of you guys who don't know me yet, ako nga po pala si Illest Morena, say, right? Parinig naman ang R dyan, kahit bulol sa R, okay lang. Everybody say, R!
Oh my God!
Galing! Ang galing. Love that for you guys.